begin.
Hi, this is our project name RF based speed control of car near school zone. In this project, if I turn on the project and try to increase the speed, so you see this wheel will start moving. So if I increase the speed, like I have taken the speed to the 120. Now if jammer is on in school zone, you see this wheel speed will come down. And if I try to increase the speed again, it will show school zone. The speed will be locked in the RF zone. Okay, so this is the practical working of this project. If I increase the speed of car, you see wheel is moving fast. Same way, if I turn on the jammer, the speed will come down and it will not increase. For more details, you can check description. To buy this project, you can contact us. Thank you. Hello everyone, we are from Xilir Technologies, New Delhi, India. We develop research-based software and hardware, projects and products globally. Xilir Technologies has the largest collection of projects. On our website, you can get services like unique engineering projects, science projects, MTech PhD thesis guidance, self-learning kits, ready-made projects, hardware components, drones-related services, softwares and simulations, research paper writing and publications in top journals and conferences. We also provide patent-related services. So to upgrade your knowledge, you can join our channel. For more details, please check description. Thank you guys. Have a nice day.